am Dr. Sneha Patel from Mathematics and Humanities Department, Gandhinagar Institute of Technology. Let me introduce you all to our institute, Gandhinagar Institute of Technology. It is located near Motibhuhan, Gandhinagar. It is well connected from Ahmedabad as well as Gandhinagar. GIT offers 6 UG programs and 4 PG programs including MBA. We started our journey in 2006 with a small family of 120 students, and 15 years later, today we are a family of 5,000 plus graduates. GIT is managed by Platinum Foundation Trust and is affiliated to GTU and approved by AICTE New Delhi. We have multiple cells like IQAC, SSIP, IPR and many more. We have multiple active MOUs with various companies and is an active participant in hackathon and many more national events. We also give importance to curricular as well as co-curricular activities. GIT has won multiple excellence awards over the years. We have a huge lush green campus. We have well experienced and well qualified faculties. The classrooms are well equipped with modern tools and we have a good state of art labs. A rich library, a tasty canteen, a soothing amphitheatre, an active sports ground and a spacious open-air theatre makes our institute more vibrant and unique. GIT is known for celebrating various festivals and events. Tech Extreme, the annual National Technical Festival, Jazba, the annual cultural festival where many performers like Hardcore, Sachin Jigar, B. Prague and many more have performed. This is GIT where success is a tradition. I welcome you all.
Hi, I am Professor Sumita Mahajan from Civil Engineering Department. Civil is a professional engineering discipline that deals with the design, construction and maintenance of physical and naturally built environment, including public works such as canals, roads, bridges, railways, airports, sewerage system, structural components of buildings and railways. There are various disciplines of civil engineering like the building materials, surveying, geotechnical engineering, environment engineering, remote sensing and GIS, structural engineering, transportation engineering, and water resource engineering. Civil plays an important role in the life of every human being, though one may not truly sense its importance in our daily routine. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Professor Hitesh Manani, Electrical Engineering Department, Gandhinagar Institute of Technology. As we all know, અત્યારનો સમય એટલે ઇલેક્ટ્રિક વ્હીકલ અને ઓટોમેશનનો, જેમાં ઇલેક્ટ્રિકલ એન્જિનિયર એક મહત્વનો રોલ પ્લે કરે છે. So, our main aim is to develop an electrical engineer who can meet the demand of current era. So, to support that, as an institute, we develop different types of laboratories like high voltage engineering, electrical machine, power electronics, automation, etc. We also collaborate with different industries for the students' training, placement as well as their overall development. Furthermore, this electric branch has a huge scope in power system, renewable energies like solar and wind, electric vehicle, their charging station and many more. So guys, be a part of this energetic branch. Thank you.
Hi, I am Professor Ashish Pandya. This is Professor Megha Desai from EC Department, GIT. As we are living in digital era, so most of the product which we are using is electronics made up, like TV, mobile, AC, even fan and tube lights. In EC Department, there are 3 major domains. First one is electronics. In electronics part, there are microcontroller, microprocessor, embedded system and the VLSI. There are huge demand in VLSI in current era. Second part is a software part. In software part, there are the different kinds of language which are taught in CIT like C, C++, Python and IoT. And the third part is a communication part. In this, there are the radar, wireless, mobile communication and the networking part which are taught in the ECE engineering. So, you have broad amount of varieties in the ECE department.
Hello everyone, I am Jalay Maru, Assistant Professor, Computer Engineering Department.
Hello everyone, I am Madhuri Chopde, Assistant Professor from Information Technology Department.
Computer and IT, both fields are of endless opportunities such as web application, data mining, the cryptocurrency, blockchain, gaming and many more.
Basically 80% syllabus is similar in both the branches, that is CE and IT. So we can say both share same DNA. Now the question arises in our mind that what is the difference between these two branches?
Well, computer engineering you can consider it as a core branch. So it deals with both hardware as well as the software.
But basically IT works with software, so we can say it includes implementation, design and maintenance.
And at GIT, you can also consider to enhance your skill in computer department, as it also provides us with the master's course in software engineering.
And if you are looking forward in terms of the placement, then we can say both the branches are having same opportunity, both in the private as well as the government sectors.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Professor Arshal Oja, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, Gandhinagar Institute of Technology. Would like to give some brief about mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering is one of the evergreen branch of engineering which over the time give several innovations. Mechanical engineering is a discipline that combine engineering physics and mathematics principle with material science to develop, design, analyze, manufacture and maintain mechanical system. After completion of mechanical engineering, one can get opportunity in aerospace, defense, electric vehicle, robotics, renewable energy, energy utilities, railway, etc. There is a wide scope of placement for mechanical engineer in government as well as reputed multinational company. GIT also offer post-graduation in thermal engineering and CAD/CAM under the umbrella of mechanical engineering. Thank you.
Hi, I am Professor Dr. Nehal Shah from MBA department at Gandhinagar Institute of Technology. As we all know that MBA is an entry pass for the corporate world. At GIT MBA, we are providing specialization in functional areas like finance, marketing, human resource and information technology management. We are having a dedicated team of faculty members who are motivating the students for real-time corporate challenges by providing theoretical as well as practical aspects, by which we are trying to sharpen their skills so that they can beat the competition and outperform compared to the other competitors. On behalf of GIT, I welcome you all to become a part of our MBA family. Thank you.